Heave the line, watch the slack. Holding fast on your mark. Easy on the winch now.
Watch the tension on that line.
Almost there, give it another meter.
Ladder's secured, ready for transfer.
Confirmed. Tugboats, hold steady.
The stress reading here is critical. Look at the data.
Yeah, I see it. It's worse than we thought. Be careful up there.
Check the starboard props. We're showing a 2-degree list.
Copy that. Adjusting tension on line 4.
Secure the forward line, watch the tide.
Copy that. Moving to the supports now.
Mark the water line here. Safety net secured on this section. All right, crane, slowly, slowly, hold it right there.
Tugboats, hold position at the stern.
We have a green light on section 4.
Watch the tidal flow on the starboard side.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Hoist the support beam now.
Levels are stabilizing near the main shaft.
Copy that. Continue purging section 4. Stand by for sampling.
Okay, increase the airflow to tank 4. Levels stabilizing, we're at 20.5% oxygen.
Clear the line. We're sealing the container.
Copy that.
Inspection team, confirm levels are clear for cutting.
Adjust the flow on line 3. Got it. Watch the clearance overhead.
Crane, you are clear to lift on the starboard side.
Roger that. Lifting slowly.
Team 3, confirm ventilation on lower decks. Over.
Confirmed. Airflow stable. We are ready for hot work.
Lift it slowly now, watch the starboard side. Clear. We're ready on deck, lower the hook. Copy, lowering the hook now.
Clear the starboard side now.
Holding steady on the port.
Moving the railing section out.
Watch your lines. All clear up here, bring it up slowly.
Alpha team, confirm green light on the lift. Watch the starboard side, clear the deck.
Easy now, keep it steady, watch the starboard side. Looks good up here, almost clear.
take the slack out of line 3.
Slack is clear, jacking up.
Taking it up slow. Watch the clearance on level 3. Clear the staging area below.
Lower it easy. Watch the torch. All right, hold it right there. Secure the chain.
Lift slowly. Keep it steady. Bring it over the cradle.
Take it up slow now. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Check alignment on Sector 4.
Confirmed, within tolerance.
Continue ascent.
Ready for the lift sequence. Character B, confirm jacks are secure.
Jacks confirmed. Crane, engage hoist slowly.
Roger that. Lifting now.
All right, lift it steady. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Copy that. Lifting slowly.
Hold it there. Now lift slow and bring it over to staging area 3.
All right, bring her up slowly. Watch the starboard side. Easy now. Clear on the platforms. Take it up 5 feet and hold. Check the tension on those slings. All right, tensioning the lines. Clear on the left. Watch your spacing, slow lift.
Watch the swing on that pipe.
Clear on the starboard side, bring it up slowly.
Heads up below, we're lowering the partition. Roger that, bring it forward slowly.
Heads up below, clear the zone. Zone clear, bring it down. Watch the swing on that load. Clear on the left, bring it down slowly. We need that copper separated now.
Take it up easy, watch your swing. Bring it over to compartment 4.
Lower it slowly now. Watch your footing down there. All right, I got it. Keep it steady. All right, team, secure the main line to tank 3. Make sure the pressure holds. It's locked in. We're ready to prime. Open the valve on the port side. Valve open. We have flow.
Confirming transfer to tank B.
Keep the pressure steady on that line. Make sure the couplings are secure before increasing the flow.
Keep the pressure steady on pump 4. Copy that. Flow rate looks stable. We're filling tank 3 now. Make sure those pads are fully saturated before removal. Roger that. We're logging the extraction volume now.
Double check the seal on tank 7.
Yeah.
Already done. Clear for transport.
Team B, confirm tag on plate 42.
Confirmed, moving to sorting lane 3.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Bring it down slowly, watch the clearance. Clear on this side, set it down. Hold it right there. Check the thickness on this one. Looks like grade A. All right, moving to the far pile. Lower it slowly. Check the alignment on section gamma. Clear on this side. Markings confirmed.
Crane, moving heavy load. Clear the sorting zone. We need that copper secured by the hour.
Clear the drop zone, moving pipe level 3. Roger that, bring it down slow.
Easy now, bring it down slowly. Watch the stack on the left.
Ensure the straps are secure before the lift.
Staging area clear. Bring it down slowly.
Control, this is Alpha. All slings double checked and secured. Copy that, Bravo. Clear to lift on your mark. This crate needs retagging. The destination is incorrect.
All right, I'll print a new one now.
Container secured. How's the rigging on pallet 7?
Clear. We are good to go. Watch the swing on that pallet.
Confirmed. Lowering to bay 3.
Signal the crane, lower the beams now.
Confirmed. Sending the engine block out next.
Bring it down easy, hold it there.
All right, secure the straps. We're clear for dispatch.